My name is Ivan. I'm a painter. I've been working over here over 3 months now, and I love it. Over here is very good. It's a similar that I do. I can pick it up very fast because I already know what I'm doing from the past. But over here, it's just like hand-on, most hand-on. I used to work for Carlin Aerospace for like 9 years. Do some painting for the military jet. Same, almost similar to what I do right here. Trapping, painting, sanding. But over here is a little bit kind of heavy duty. I like to hang out with my kid, playing. I had 2 boys that keep me busy, play soccer and basketball all summer and winter. Every day is non-stop. 2 boys run around like crazy. I would recommend people to come over here because it's a nice place. It's a high-tech. The facility is nice and friendly people all around. It's something advanced to do, something new. Especially with this machine that we do that people use every day.